Can you ride the Sex Panther in the rain? We're about to find out. Let's go. It's so wet. I'm getting a little cold right now. It's still March. How you doing, bro? Look at the water on this board. It's like good as new. Gotta keep the energy up, keep this adrenaline going, or else it's gonna get too cold. This is a big hill. Gabe's got to get some speed up on that Phantom. I'm on the belt drive Sex Panther though, so I can start from a dead stop. I have no issues. All right, let's check up while we're waiting. Check up on the guys and gals. How you doing?
Just you know, missed my morning shower, so I figured I'd do it on the go.
Awesome. Check out the board. Is Lulu coming, or did she head back?
On our way.
All right. Lulu's taking her sweet time, but yeah. Board's doing all right. Guess it needed a bit of a shower. We don't recommend riding in the rain. It's dangerous. It's definitely not good for the board. Can you do it? Yeah, sure. But it's definitely gonna wear your board out faster than if you had kept it dry. Water can seep into places. We're gonna see how it does after this big ass ride in the rain through all these puddles, but don't recommend it. And water damage is not covered by your warranty, so don't go swimming with it. How you doing, Lulu?
Hey, good. It's an experience.
Good experience?
Yeah, it's a whole different thing now in the rain.
Is it your first time riding in the rain?
First time riding in the
rain. Gabe, I'll meet you back in the office. All right, I gotta run. I have to get to a live show for our bikes. I'm gonna have to leave these guys behind. Wet wheel burnouts. Nope, not.